Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So like a lot of people, I like to have more than one monitor in my setup, but an issue I had is my desk is too small to fit two monitors side by side. So I've been using this vertical mount recently to try and come around that. Before, I used to have this monitor here on the left, this monitor here on the right but in portrait, but I prefer to have them both in landscape. I feel like you get a better use of the monitors that way and it suits more what I do on a computer. So I got this stand, which you can see here on the back. It's like a long pole. The cable management is not that great, but you can't really see it from the front anyway. But yeah, the main issue I have with this stand though is you can see the feet on it are massive and it takes up a huge amount of space on my desk. So I've been looking for a solution to that and I think I found one, and that's what this video is about. So let's get to that. So this is the vertical double monitor mount by VonHaus. You can find them online clearly. And the difference with this one is it's clamp based. So you save a lot more space on your desk while still getting the same effect. So I'm going to go through the unboxing and the setup, but I'm going to speed it up because realistically no one's really going to want to watch that. And I'll catch you back on the other side.
One, two, three.
Two hours later. Months later.
So if you stuck with it, fair play. This is the final product. So you can see straight away it's a much cleaner setup while still getting the same effect. I've got so much more space on the desk now, which is what I was going for. The clamp is doing a good job. It took me a bit longer to put it in place, but that was mainly due to some parts of my desk that were getting in the way, which most people shouldn't have that problem. But yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with it. Highly recommend the clamp, and I'll leave a link in the description. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and stay tuned and subscribe for more.